Fantastic. So you got the basics of your store all set up, and we're now getting very close to the point of actually applying for the Amazon Affiliates program, which you're going to see is very, very straightforward. But why Amazon? Why are we focusing purely on Amazon at the moment? Well, it's one of the world's best known brands. I think probably everybody has heard of Amazon, and certainly an enormous number of us have actually used it as well. And that gets round the problem, because in the beginning your brand is unknown, clearly, until we start building it out. And so by using Amazon as effectively piggybacking off Amazon, you solve that problem of you being an unknown brand in the beginning. It's also one of the oldest and most established affiliate programs. And lastly, and this is a good one, you get commission on anything they buy. So, I've been talking about these Fitbit type things, for example. Now, if somebody were to read a review on my site, click on it and go to Amazon, if they didn't buy that Fitbit but they went off and bought something else, then you would get a commission on that. And typically it's within a 24-hour period. So anything they buy on Amazon after you've sent them to the site, anything they buy, you will get a commission on. All right? So it's a very powerful affiliate program from that point of view, and can be extremely lucrative. So there you go, 4 very good reasons, I hope you agree, with why we are starting with Amazon.